Alright, hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to write out my yearly goals this year, but I wanted to definitely focus on financial goals, and this is my plum planner. If you would like to see a video that talks about it, flips through everything, I'm in the notes section of my planner. They do have each month they want you to break down your goals, but I would like to make just a overall 2018 goal page. And I used to use Erin Condren planners, so I still have a ton of stickers. And I'm gonna try and make it work for this specific page. I pretty much exclusively use Libby & Co. She's my ultimate favorite when it comes to stickers. I love everything about it. So, try and make it as even as I possibly can. Obviously, I can't write goals on that, so I'm going to use a nice little sticker here and put down 2018 goals. Yay! Perfect. And then I think what I'm going to do is put down, trying to make this like as pretty as I possibly can, to be honest. So 2018. And then I'm gonna do kind of like a jet out. And then I wonder if I can't put like, I'll do this. Little box here. And then I think I'm going to put this money icon for financial goals. And that's mainly what we're going to talk about today. So the number one thing that I can think of that I would like is to get a raise. And I would prefer not just the annual inflation raise. I would prefer an actual raise, maybe a promotion. I got 2 raises in 2017, so I don't know if that's really going to happen, but I do think that if I continue to work hard, so far I've been very much recognized for my hard work, but a raise at work would be great, and that could be at work or if I find a new position as well. I would like to also, and I don't know if I can do this, but pay down $10,000 in debt. And when I say $10,000, I mean principal. I would really like to pay down $10,000 of principal. And that would mean knocking out one of my smallest loans now, plus some. I would like to just say and make it easy on myself and just go, oh, I'll just pay down one loan this year, but I really want to push myself and I really want to pay down $10,000 in debt this year. I would also like to cash flow a wedding. I hope that I get engaged. I have no rings yet, but I am already saving for that. I don't want to go into a single penny of debt when it comes to paying for a wedding, because they're really expensive and I know I still want one regardless, but I don't want to take out a loan, a credit card, anything. I just want to be able to get a nice wedding and not have it follow around for the rest of my life. And also start off, you know, a marriage with debt. More debt than I already have. I would also like to cash flow / save for a new car. So I currently use a 2000 Chevy Malibu, and I've had it for about 5 years now, and for the most part it's going well. Nothing's wrong with it. Things here and there break down, but I was told at the bottom of my car there's a hole rusting. I do live in Chicago, and there's a lot of salt that's going to continue to break that down and make that hole bigger. And again, it's not like in my car, it's like at the bottom of my car. I'm guessing maybe going into the engine. I don't really know, but I don't want to take out any loans or leases or anything. I want to be able to, in case of emergency, definitely don't want a new car, but if I have to, I don't want to get into more debt. So saving for that new car sinking fund is going to be very important in 2018, just knowing that I don't know if it'll make it. And then finally, as far as sinking funds go, I would like to cash flow a down payment. We are looking to buy a different place because our place right now is not going well. I think I've talked about it for months now. We just haven't really found anything in our area. Of course we can afford more, but we live pretty in a small apartment right now, and I don't really want to overbuy or overextend myself. But the area of Chicago that we live in, it's hard to find a place that actually makes sense. So I definitely want a cash flow down payment to be able to be flexible with the place that I'm going with. I don't want to have to do like an FHA loan. Not that there's anything bad with it, but a lot of the condos that we're looking at, they don't allow you to do anything with 3%. There are loans with 5%, but I don't think that we'll get any money from the sale of our place now. So I just want to kind of almost start over. Again, obviously a mortgage is debt, but that's fine. I want to have options. I don't want to be stuck at where I'm at now, because it's actually pretty not safe. And then let me think. What else? Well, I guess this is such an obvious one, but I'm going to write it down anyway. No more debt. I don't want to take on a single credit card, loan, anything. I've been really good ever since I've graduated. I've only had student loan debt. I have only ever in my life had student loan debt, but I don't want to get into any situation where I need to take out more debt. So hopefully by cash flowing these things and being intentional with my sinking funds will help prevent any debt going on in the future. And I still have some room for some more financial goals, but I genuinely think that, actually I have one more. I would like to I would like to make more money with my side hustle, but I'm trying to think what that means for money-wise. I think I would like to make $2,500 or more in side hustle. So we'll see if I'm able to do that, but I do plan on continuing to improve my YouTube channel. I also plan on continuing with just the passive places that I get income from, and I will leave the video below where I talk about, I think it's 5 super easy ways to get some extra cash. And then I think I'm going to look into some freelancing work with data entry on Upwork.com. We'll see, but I would like to make at least $2,500 in extra money on top of my paycheck now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video on all of my financial goals for 2018. Let me know what your goals are this year, maybe your most ambitious one. I'd love to hear about that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye.